Decrease the risk of heart attack with these 15 foods. Our heart is one of our body's most essential organs. However, we take the least care of it. Every day, we stress it out, and at the same time, we eat unhealthy foods. This is unfortunate because junk foods raise cholesterol levels, which contributes to vascular plaques that prevent the heart from functioning properly. Do you want your blood vessels cleansed and to improve your overall health? What about lowering the chances of having a heart attack in the coming years? You'll learn about 15 foods that will do all of these for you. Stay tuned until the very end. And as a bonus, we'll share with you a special drink recipe for healthy blood vessels. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Number 15. Oatmeal. Oatmeal has been consumed since precisely 7000 BC. The first cereals cultivated by humans were oats. This food was popular among the ancient Chinese, and the ancient Greeks created a porridge out of it. Oatmeal is consumed by more than 75% of Americans for breakfast. This is amazing because porridge is high in fiber, which helps lower bad cholesterol and boosts digestion. Oatmeal is, without a doubt, one of the healthiest foods. Number 14. Fatty fish. The risk of having arrhythmia and atherosclerosis is minimized by consuming salmon, mackerel, herring, haddock, and other fatty fish. They are also high in vitamins and minerals. Vitamins B2 and D, as well as riboflavin, support calcium absorption in the bones. Iron, zinc, and selenium are some of the other minerals found in fish. They improve our health and protect us from heart disease. Therefore, fish can be a nutritious and delicious meal. It's recommended that you eat it twice or 3 times a week. Number 13. Nuts. Nuts are high in protein fibers, which are good for the heart. They also contain vitamin E, which contributes to the reduction of harmful cholesterol levels. Hazelnuts were thought to treat coughs and baldness by the ancient Greeks. Almonds are so high in vitamin E that they can last up to 2 years in the refrigerator. Chestnuts are high in vitamin C, accounting for around 20% of their weight. If you have a dog, however, do not feed it macadamia nuts. These nuts are poisonous to them. Number 12. Berries. Blood pressure can be lowered and blood vessels could be dilated if you eat blueberries and strawberries. Strawberry lovers can benefit from fiber, folate, antioxidants, and potassium found in these berries. They are also filled with vitamin C, even more than oranges. And all of this deliciousness is low in calories and sugar. Blueberries, on the other hand, are used medicinally by Native Americans, like treating bad coughs and enhancing vision, for example. It also contains vitamin C and E. Blueberries are the second most common berry in the United States. Number 11. Dark chocolate, minimum of 60 to 70% cocoa. This kind of chocolate assists in the regulation of blood pressure, as well as the prevention of inflammation and blood clotting. Furthermore, it has an anti-stress effect by increasing the development of serotonin, which has a relaxing effect. Dark chocolate's main ingredient, cocoa, also helps to avoid memory loss. Another excuse to consume chocolate on a daily basis is that it is beneficial to your skin and protects it from UV rays. Number 10. Spinach and broccoli. These vegetables have a lot of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They stimulate the heart and help blood pressure return to normal. They're also a good source of fiber. Broccoli has many medicinal benefits, including cancer prevention, digestive system enhancement, and body detoxification. It also acts like a vitamin shot, as it provides you with a variety of vitamins and minerals. Broccoli's health benefits include skin protection, improved vision, and the prevention of allergic reactions. Spinach, on the other hand, has manganese, potassium, magnesium, iron, and calcium. Folate, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and other basic vitamins can also be found in this vegetable. It enhances your eyesight, keeps your blood pressure in check, and also strengthens your muscles. Number 9. Extra virgin olive oil. With only a couple of spoons of this per day, you can lower your bad cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Olive oil contains a lot of oleic acid, which subsequently lowers blood pressure. It's essential to know that when olives are crushed, their oil naturally leaves them. As a result, chemicals and preservatives do not affect the beneficial ingredients or vitamins. People also claim that this oil offers a good defense against cancers of the breast, digestive tract, and prostate. Number 8. Red wine. This drink helps with detoxification and weight loss by reducing fat deposits in your blood vessels. It has the ability to lower the risk of dementia, as well as prostate cancer. Red wine also includes certain components that can increase a person's lifespan by about 60%, according to French scientists. Despite this, it is always recommended that you drink it in moderation. Number 7. Green tea. This drink contains bioactive compounds, antioxidants, and medicinal properties that enhance health. Green tea improves mental efficiency. It also boosts the rate of metabolism, which has a positive impact on the fat-burning process. This drink can help to reduce the risk of cancers, such as prostate and breast cancer. It also reduces the chances of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Cholesterol plaques are also prevented by drinking 1 cup of tea a day. Number 6. Watermelon. This berry, yes, it's a berry, has a major impact on vascular health. It contains antioxidants and helps to maintain cholesterol levels. It hydrates your body, which is beneficial to your health. It is also good for skin and hair care. Additionally, you can drink watermelon juice before intense workouts. The next day, you'll be shocked by how much less sore your muscles are. Number 5. Cinnamon. This spice is known to protect against heart disease and atherosclerosis. It also helps you lose weight by increasing your metabolism. It's filled with antioxidants, beating out garlic in a race of 26 spices antioxidant activity. It has a powerful anti-diabetic effect, lowering blood sugar levels. Number 4. Avocado. This extremely healthy fruit lowers bad cholesterol levels and assists in artery cleansing. It's high in good fats. Vitamin C, B5 and B6, vitamin E and K, folate, and others are among the vitamins contained in it. Avocados are rich in fiber, which can help with weight loss, blood sugar control, and other health-related concerns. Number 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are full of antioxidants, which help to reduce blood pressure, improve blood circulation, and boost hemoglobin levels. Pomegranates, surprisingly, have antibacterial properties that can contribute to the reduction of dental plaque and the prevention of various oral diseases. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic dilates blood vessels, reduces blood pressure, relieves vasoconstriction, and prevents the formation of atherosclerotic plaques. It also helps in the proper functioning of the intestines by improving digestion. It protects the eyes from infection and swelling, since it is high in selenium, vitamin C, and quercetin. Furthermore, it is commonly used to treat earaches. Finally, it is a well-known fact that eating garlic, a lot of them, can help you survive a cold with minimal discomfort. And lastly, number 1. Apples and pears. These fruits are high in fiber, which is beneficial to your heart. They improve blood flow and are a less expensive and more accessible alternative to pomegranates. Apples also aid in the maintenance of white, healthy teeth. Saliva is created when you bite into an apple, which decreases the number of bacteria in your mouth and prevents tooth decay. Pears, on the other hand, strengthen your immune system, prevent osteoporosis, keep your digestive system healthy, and give you more energy. Did you find all of this information helpful? Let us know by clicking that like button. Since you stayed with us this far, we got a bonus for you. A special drink recipe for healthy blood vessels. You only need these ingredients: half a pint of ginger juice, half a pint of garlic puree, half a pint of lemon juice, half a pint of apple cider vinegar, and 5 tablespoons of honey. Cook for 30 minutes over medium heat, with all of the ingredients, except the honey. Stir regularly. And then, remove it from the heat, and allow it to cool completely. Add the honey and stir it all together. Then, pour the mixture into a clean container. This drink can be kept in the fridge for 1 to 2 months. Every morning, take 1 tablespoon of this drink on an empty stomach. Here are this drink's health benefits. Honey and garlic lower blood pressure by reducing cholesterol levels. Ginger helps to keep the heart healthy. Lemon regulates heartbeats. Apple cider vinegar detoxifies the body. So drink up and keep your body healthy and strong. Which of these foods do you like the most? Do you also know another food that should have been on this list? Share it with us in the comments section so we could take care of each other's health. Send this video to your friends as well if they need to eat better. Take good care of them and don't forget to subscribe.